Hey guys, let's answer question number 1. 300 female 8th graders were surveyed about whether they played soccer and softball. Fill in the table below. So this is a two-way frequency table. We're going to fill in the table before we answer these questions. So let's fill in what we know. 300 total students. The total is always going to go in this bottom right corner. 81 played soccer. So I'm going to find soccer, and that 81 total played soccer, right? 203 did not play softball. So I'm going to find no softball, 203 total. And 35 played both. So I want to find where softball and soccer meet. That's right here. So this is always going to be the category for both, right? So once I fill in what we know, then I can look to see which ones I can figure out next. I know that this box, the 35 and the no softball, have to add up to 81, right? So if these two boxes have to add up to 81, I can subtract 81 minus 35 to get this box, right? And that's going to be 46. So 35 plus 46 makes 81. That works, yep. Now let's do one of these going across. So 46, the no softball plus the no soccer has to make 203. So to get this box in the middle, I can do 203 minus 46, and that's going to be 157. Okay, let's get this bottom one here. So I know that 81 plus this box has to make 300, right? So I can do 300 minus 81, and that's going to be 219. All right, let's get these two top ones. So this one, I know that this box plus 203 has to make 300. So I can do 300 minus 203, and that's going to be 97. And there's two ways I can get this one. I can either go across or I can go down. So let's go across. So I know 35 plus this box has to make 97. So I can do 97 minus 35, and that's 62. If you wanted to check it, going across should add up. So 35 and 62 make 97, 46 and 157 make 203, and 81 and 219 make 300. But they also got to add going down. And so again, if I added these two, it makes 81. Added these two, it makes 219. And if I add these two, it makes 300. So this box is good. It's always good to check it at the end. So let's answer our questions. How many students played softball? So I'm looking for softball total. Well, that would be 97 students, right? 97 students. What percentage of students did not play either sport? So no softball and no soccer. Well, that would be 157, right? But it asked for what percentage. So 157 out of 300 total. So I would divide 157 by 300. That's going to give me 0.523 repeating, right? 0.523 repeating. And we know that to make that a percent, I got to move my decimal over 2 spots. So if we rounded this to the nearest percent, we would say that that would be 52% of the students did not play either sport. What percentage of students played soccer but not softball? So soccer but no softball. Well, that would be 46, right? And again, it's percentage. So I'm going to do 46 out of the total, which was 300. So if I do 46 divided by 300, I'm going to get 0.153 repeating. I'll move my decimal over 2 spots, and if I round into the nearest percent, that would be 15%, right? So don't ever try to answer these questions until you fill out the whole table. All right, I hope that was helpful.